In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app on your phone in seconds, Replit AI. By the end, you'll have a simple mobile app running from your browser with a shareable link. All you need is your phone, a stable internet connection, and access to Replit. Start by opening your mobile browser and heading to the Replit homepage. From there, look for the option to create a new project and select Web App. This sets up a basic environment for a web-based project. Right after that, choose Mobile App. Selecting the mobile option ensures the layout and preview are optimized for a phone screen, which saves you time tweaking the interface later. On the next screen, type in the highlighted field. This is where you enter the content or brief description that Replit AI will use to scaffold your app. Keep it short and clear so the generator knows what to create. Now tap Start. If you see additional screens asking you to confirm or continue, tap Start again each time. These prompts simply confirm your initial choices and kick off the build process. Next, tap Preview. If you see a message that says Preview will be available soon, that's normal. The workspace is building in the background. Give it a moment and check again. A quick refresh can help if the preview takes longer than expected on mobile networks. Once the preview opens, test your app. Tap through the interface and iterate by making small changes. Try adjusting text, colors, or labels so you can see how edits impact the final look. Use undo and redo as needed to compare versions without losing your progress. When you're ready to refine more, type in the highlighted area again to adjust content or make quick edits. Replit often suggests updates, so pay attention to prompts that help streamline the process. When things look good, tap Publish. This will prepare your project for sharing. Next, check your domain. Replit usually assigns a default subdomain for your app, which you can open right away to verify everything is working. Make sure the link loads on your phone and that the basic interactions feel responsive. Finally, tap Publish your app to confirm. That's the last step to make your app available publicly. You now have a live mobile-friendly web app you created directly from your phone in just a few taps. If you want to keep improving it, return to your project, preview changes, and republish anytime. Thanks for watching.